Yo, what's hood? PM gang, man. And honestly, I've been sleeping. I've been lacking on Chicago Emporium, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you, fam. Like, for real. Like, I could have been up here and got a whole bunch of early reviews. Early reviews on the Concords, early review on the Air Raids, early review on the Winterized 12s. A whole bunch of early reviews I could have been had, and I just been like really just sleeping, man. But I'm up and I'm out today. Hopefully I can go and get these early reviews real quick. And yeah, man, wrap this up, man. Stop sleeping, man. See y'all there. Gang. Finally made it, and as y'all can see, it's dark outside. Of course, it get dark a little bit earlier. But man, let's go in here and check these early joints out, man.
Yeah, remember I ain't had nothing. I was wearing money stunt. Hella clothes missing buttons. Niggas cross me out for nothing. Now they see a nigga stunting. Now they see I'm getting money. Now everybody loading nuts. Hands out on son. Cause a young nigga ran it up there. I made it look so easy. Young nigga made a fuck, yeah, and I made it look so easy. Young nigga ran it up there, and I made it look so easy. Made it look so easy, yeah. Made it look so easy. Cause a young nigga ran it up there, and I made it look so easy. Young nigga made a fuck, yeah, and I made it look so easy. Young nigga ran it up there, and I made it look so easy. Made it look so easy, yeah. Made it look so easy. Had to get it out the mud, nigga, so I went hard with no sleep. Long nights in the rain, nigga, shit slow, but I ain't leaving. Told everybody I was up next, I ain't tripping, they ain't believe me. Fuck the bitch in the hotel, when she pass out, I'm leaving. Money all on my brain, boy, in a second that I ain't thinking. Mama working so many hours, can't wait till she don't need them. All my clothes no good, so I'm trying to work hard for them sneakers. No time for no fake friends, if you turn on me, I'm leaving. Cause I'm trying to pull up on four-wheelers. Hop off a PJ with gorillas. Sit at the table with dope dealers. Do a show and finesse me a gold digger. I got this shit out the mud, nigga. You a snitch, I don't care if you blood, nigga. Ripping free all the guys like a judge, nigga. You a snake, so I won't show no love, nigga. I ain't had nothing. I was wearing money stunt. Hella clothes missing buttons. Niggas cross me out for nothing. Now they see a nigga stunting. Now they see I'm getting money. Now everybody loading nuts. Hands out on son. Cause a young nigga ran it up there, I made it look so easy. Young nigga made a fuck, yeah, and I made it look so easy. Young nigga ran it up there, and I made it look so easy. Made it look so easy, yeah. Made it look so easy. Cause a young nigga ran it up there, and I made it look so easy. Young nigga made a fuck, yeah, and I made it look so easy. Young nigga ran it up there, and I made it look so easy. Made it look so easy, yeah. Made it look so easy.
Me and money getting married. Get the horse and the carriage, till death do us part, till I'm gone and I'm buried. For the green, put the mask on, I'm the new Jim Carrey. On the ground like a slow song, bitch call me R. Kelly. Ran it up so I'm arrogant, being broke was embarrassing. Every dollar I cherish it, treat the money like it's heaven sent. Bad bitch, what she haven't sent, fuck her good every chance I get. Living life like the Secret Service, dedicated to these presidents. A million ain't enough, I need more money. Hit the stage, tear it up for that show money. Break a bitch with a text, take that whole money. Hit a liquor for next to take your money. In the trap, so I still got that blow money. Hit it instantly, your motherfucking nose running. Ain't no story, you know we gon' eat dummy. So a nigga still got street money.
Remember I ain't had nothing. I was wearing money stunt. Hella clothes missing buttons. Niggas cross me out for nothing. Now they see a nigga stunting. Now they see I'm getting money. Now everybody loading nuts. Hands out on son. Cause a young nigga ran it up there. I made it look so easy. Young nigga made a fuck, yeah, and I made it look so easy. Young nigga ran it up there, and I made it look so easy. Made it look so easy, yeah. Made it look so easy. Cause a young nigga ran it up there, and I made it look so easy. Young nigga made a fuck, yeah, and I made it look so easy. Young nigga ran it up there, and I made it look so easy. Made it look so easy, yeah. Made it look so easy. Take from PMG, boy, that shit dead. I know I'm fucking up their head. Just caught the charge, and I tell you that bitch so fast, and it's all red. I know I'm fucking up their head. These niggas saying they gon' pull up on the kid, they got me dead. I know I'm fucking up their head. These niggas told me I ain't got it like his bitch ain't give me head. I know I'm fucking up their heads. Fucking up their heads, I know I got these niggas mind blown. I go brazy with that paper like my mind gone. Take your plug down, nigga, now who you relying on? Niggas out here plotting, you won't know until your time come. Hit his bitch with my leg up, I know I'm fucking his head up. Nigga, get your bread up, tell me how you not fed up. I remember getting breadcrumbs, I'm the only nigga that said some. Couldn't wait till that bread came, I hardly noticed when that bread come. Big racks in my denims, baby, good dope in my system, baby. Been my dog for a minute, but he doing shit that I ain't been feeling lately. Gang, my members crazy, lost my niggas, these years been crazy. Stuck in place, you niggas lazy, chasing hoes, these niggas crazy. I just ran a sack up today, little dog, stay in your play, you ain't got the blues, you in the way, I see the money and get it today, no reason to wait if it's money to make. Take from PMG, boy, that shit dead. I know I'm fucking up they head. Just caught the charge, SRT, that bitch so fast and it's all red. I know I'm fucking up they head. These niggas saying they gon' pull up on the kid, they got me dead. I know I'm fucking up they head. These niggas told me I ain't got it like his bitch ain't give me head. I know I'm fucking up they head.
When it come to that paper, I'm on that chase. JP Morgan, while you niggas broke, cracking jokes. Tracy Morgan, last OG in my zone like Otto, smoking gelato. Feel that rocket power when I'm skirting in that auto. Semis and autos, pull up dumping out of that Tahoe. Ain't no tomorrow, you can't dodge these like potholes. I got some vapos that'll kill you dead for guapo. And for them nachos, send 100 goons like Wallow. We set examples, bitch made niggas, we slap those. Never breed those, boy, we brick solid like kilos. You not my equal, pull up shooting shit like free throws. I got some free codes that's gon' bounce that ass like free throws.
And they gon' fuck with PMG, my nigga. She in love with PMG, my nigga.
That's what she said.
You run up on PMG, my nigga.
Get hit with lead.
So you fuck with PMG, my nigga.
Up with his head.
Take from PMG, boy, that shit dead. I know I'm fucking up they head. Just caught the charge, SRT, that bitch so fast and it's all red. I know I'm fucking up they head. These niggas saying they gon' pull up on the kid, they got me dead. I know I'm fucking up they head. These niggas told me I ain't got it like his bitch ain't give me head. I know I'm fucking up they head.
I'm fucking up they head.
Said I pull up in that foreign, you can't afford it. A yellow bitch with me, she gorgeous, she really gorgeous. Every night we making movies, they should record this. These niggas saying that they ballin', but they ain't scoring. Bitches keep that pussy poppin' because we poppin'. And being broke is not an option, fucked up the profit. Neiman Marcus when we shopping, that bag we dropping. And we ain't gotta front our moves, bitch, we really got it. We gon' be lit forever. We gon' be lit forever. We gon' be lit forever. We gon' be lit forever.
Well, there you go. Time to hit this road, man. Get back on this road. Chicago important. It's been one. We out this jam, man.